Hi everyone. I am going to talk about me and my family. I live in a big family. My extended family has 11 people, my grandparents, my 3 uncles and their wives, and my cousins, 2 brothers and 1 little sister. But my immediate family only has 3 people. It is just my parents and me. Our family is an ideal and happy family. My mother is nearly 38 years old. We live in California. My mother's name is Carmen. She is Mexican and she speaks English and Spanish. She is short and slim. She has got long brown hair and brown eyes. Especially for her smile, it's bright and beautiful, which I wish I could have. Her job is as a journalist. She is kind and supportive and always gives me very good advice. She is always there for me. More than that, she is an excellent cook, and she loves to create new, delicious dishes. I am crazy about her dishes. My father's name is David. He is 40 years old. He is an American. He is tall and a little fat. He has got short brown hair and blue eyes. He works in a bank. He is very kind and everyone around him always loves him. He always gives me a smile when he sees me. My grandparents were farmers. My nanny is 64 years old, but she is so sprightly and energetic that she cherishes her children a lot. She loves feeding her animals and taking care of them. She also enjoys working in gardens. I used to spend my summer in her garden, listening to her fairy tale stories. My grandpa is over 65 years old. He is pretty quiet and hardworking. He wakes up very early every morning and goes to work. He is super patient, informal, and easygoing. He really likes people but doesn't love talking to them all the time. He is definitely the introverted one of the family. What all this means is that he likes working alone all the time. All my uncles are married and have lovely children, except one. My second uncle is still alone now. He is waiting for the right woman to just suit him. My cousins and I get along with each other. Sometimes we have fights and arguments, but we make up very soon afterwards. I love my little cousin. She is a cutie, and she is growing fast. She has such a broad vocabulary for such a small person. All my family members are very lovely. They love me very much. I love my family. I am so happy to have a wonderful family.
Never miss a video. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Learn English very quickly. Hit the bell icon for notifications. Thank you for watching.